5 energy companies, and why have they performed so well over the last week? Let's start with the different types of oil. There's heavy oil and light oil. The heavy oil, it primarily comes from the Canadian oil sands, and it allows for the production of stuff like asphalt, plastics, polymers, and many of the materials that are used today in common products that we use. We also are looking for condensate, and condensate allows for the very thick oil that comes from the Canadian oil sands to transfer through the pipelines. We need condensate to dilute that and make it thinner, otherwise, it'll be stuck in there like thick molasses and will not run. So 30% of all energy gases and liquids imported into Canada are going to require condensate to basically lube the pipes up. Now, there's a huge shortage of condensate, so companies like Seven Generations, which have not hedged their positions with condensate, and companies like Birchcliff that have large portions of condensate relative to the value of the company, are able to profit from the massive demand for Canadian energy companies looking to ship their oil down south. And because both refineries in the Gulf and the Midwest are the only ones capable of refining heavy crude oil, then we need to get this oil sands oil down south. Otherwise, we're not able to refine it for use back home in Canada. Because there's such a high demand for this product, companies are willing to pay extra, and that means that they're willing to pay more for Seven Generations and the other companies that I have listed here to provide their condensate to dilute the oil so that it can get to the refining stations down south.